In the event of a fire alarm, it's good to know which people were in the building at the time the fire alarm went off. This is a roll call report and can be generated automatically by Paxton10. In the event of a fire alarm, each building will have designated meeting points where people gather in safety to await further instructions. The roll call report is dynamic, meaning that when people present themselves at a meeting point, they can be marked as safe. People can mark themselves as safe by presenting their credentials to a nominated meeting reader. Alternatively, a fire marshal can manually mark them as safe. Note that, for roll call to work best, readers are required on both sides of doors leading to and from the building. This ensures that Paxton10 knows when people both enter and leave the area. Create a new roll call template by navigating to Rules, Custom Rules. Select the Add New Rule control in the ribbon bar. Name your rule and select Type, Roll Call. Select the access points that go to and from the building. Select the readers that will serve as meeting greeters in the event of a fire alarm. In configuration, you can choose a time each day that the building is empty. This will ensure that if somebody has not used their credential to leave the building, they will not appear on a roll call report in subsequent days. You can also elect to remove a person from the roll call report if they have not been seen by the system for a specified time period. In order to generate a roll call report automatically, you need to create a trigger and action rule. Add a new custom rule. Name and select type, triggers, and actions. As a trigger, select Fire Alarm Activation. As an action, select Type Software and action Run Roll Call Report. You may now select the roll call report you want to run and state where you would like it saved. You may also elect to automatically email the roll call report to one or more people. Your roll call report is now set up and ready to use. Here we can see a roll call report being generated as the fire alarm goes off. As people present their credentials to meeting greeters, we can see them being marked as safe in real time. The roll call report contains useful information, such as people's last known location and when they were marked as safe. People can also be manually marked as safe by those system operators with the required permissions. It may also be useful to know that you can run roll call reports on mobile devices. These are portable and can be more convenient to use at the meeting points. Here we can see a smartphone being used to view a roll call report and mark a person as safe. More information can be found in the Administering Paxton10 with a Mobile Device video. Thanks for watching. For more information about Paxton10, check out some of our other videos.